Subtracting mixed numbers. First, subtract the whole number. 5 minus 3, 2. And then, copy the fractions 1/2 minus 2 over 9. And then, copy whole number 2. 1 times 9, 9 minus 2 times 2, 4 over the product of 2 and 9, 18. And then, simplify 2, 9 minus 4, 5 over 18. So the answer is 2 and 5 over 18. Let's try another example. 10 and 2/3 minus 5 and 1/4. First, subtract the whole number, 10 minus 5, 5, and then copy the fractions, 2/3 minus 1/4. And then, copy 5, 2 times 4, 8, 3 times 1, minus 3, over the product of the denominators, 12. Then copy 5, 8 minus 3, that is 5, over the denominator, 12. So the answer is 5 and 5 over 12. 11 and 7/8 minus 6 and 5 over 16. Now, let's subtract them vertically. Let's copy the whole number, 11 and 6. 8 and 6 has an LCD of 16. So we write 16 as denominators. Then, 16 divided by 8, 2 times 7, 14. So we write 14 as numerator. 16 divided by 16, 1 times 5, that is 5. And then, subtract the whole number, 11 minus 6, that is 5. And then, 14 minus 5, 9, over the denominator, 16. So the answer is 5 and 9 over 16. Subtraction of similar mixed numbers. First, subtract the whole number. 9 minus 5, that is 4. And then, subtract the numerator of the fractions. 4 minus 2, 2, over the denominator, 7. 6 and 1/4 minus 3 and 2/4. If the first fraction is less than the second fraction, we have to borrow from the whole number. 6 minus 1, that will be 5. And then add 4 and 1, 4 plus 1, 5 over the denominator, 4. Then, subtract 3 and 2/4. Then, 5 minus 3. That is 2. Subtract the numerator, 5 minus 2, 3 over the denominator, 4. So the answer is 2 and 3/4. Now, let's subtract whole number and a mixed number. Let's subtract 1 from 10, that will become 9, and create a fraction similar to the second fraction, whose denominator is 5. That will become 5 over 5. 5 divided by 5, 1 plus 9, that is equal to 10. Then, subtract 2 and 3/5. Subtract the whole number first, 9 minus 2, 7, and the numerator of the fractions, 5 minus 3, that is 2, over the denominator, 5. So the answer is 7 and 2/5. Let's try another example. 15 minus 12 and 7/10. Subtract 1 from 15, that will become 14, and then create fraction similar to the second fraction whose denominator is 10. That will be 10 over 10. So 10 divided by 10, that is 1, plus 14, that is 15. Then subtract 12 and 7 over 10. Subtract the whole number first. 14 minus 12, that is 2. Then the numerator of the fractions, 10 minus 7, 3 over 10. Remember, always simplify your answer in its simplest form if possible. Thank you for watching.